to Whitstable in Kent. It's blowing a gale. Hello, hello. There's a football match going on over there. Hello. Hey, how you doing, Jason? How are you? The sea's looking quite brown today. It's all stirred up. This is some sort of flat land that's got some wildlife. Can you hear the birds? Woo! It's blowy. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. I've just put my car in to get valeted, so I'm just killing an hour. Because it's a very dirty car. Hey Simon, how are you? I know! I want snow. I like snow. I think we'll probably get it after Christmas, maybe end of January, February time here. It's quite mild. I know it's windy and you can hear it is, but it's not freezing. Not like it usually is this time of year. Grey skies. Birds fighting the wind. There's a couple of them were having problems. Some of the seagulls were having problems flying this morning. Yes, 13 degrees. I know. It's very unusual this time of year. We haven't had many Decembers like this, have we? So, skate park's down that way, and that's down towards Whitstable. I'm in a place called Swalcliffe, which is kind of just down the road. There's Tankerton, where I live, and then Whitstable's round the corner, past those beach huts. Yes, Kent! And then over there, you can see it quite clearly today, that's the Isle of Sheppey. Let me turn it this way around and have a look. Oh, have you got rain? And then I don't think you can see Southend-on-Sea, you can see on a clear day, and up towards London, but not today. Hey Tim, how you doing? Look at this dog. Bright white against the grey. Oh, it's raining. Oh, hello, Aqua Puppy. Hello, how are you? Where am I from? Originally from Barrow-in-Furness in Cumbria, but this is Kent, near Whitstable. Who would want to see it? What's Southend-on-Sea? You've just come from... I'm glad you finished the sentence. Oh, Cumbria. Oh, it's horrible weather in the Midlands. A long ride. Ah, okay. Or bike ride? Or horse ride? Ambleside. I saw that. Ambleside was flooded, wasn't it? There was a picture on Twitter. I think it's just as you approach from Windermere into Ambleside. On that corner. My job, I'm a brand and communications manager. That's my day job. Look at that sky. Woo! It's got interesting clouds. I'm really well spoken, am I? Thank you. I've got the best weather today, have I? That's not saying a lot. Oh, thank you, Steve. Oh, thank you very much. You've had a drink and a scope ride. Was it a hard bike ride? I spent 2 hours down the BMX park. Not this one here, but there's a track. It is a seaside. It's a Kentish seaside, so we have stones on the beach. Hi, Colkin. Oh, is it Matthew Colkin? Look at these kind of little is it, what are they called? Kind of rivulets, I suppose. Rivulets. It was long, was it? You're out of shape. Oh, it's one of those things, isn't it? You just, the more you do it, the better you get with bike riding. It's good fun though. I'd prefer to ride a bike than go for a run. Hey Tim, you'd love to live next to the sea. Where do you live again, Tim? I've forgotten. Oh, I'm just sitting down. I haven't fallen over. It's rammed in the summer, is it? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, biking's good fun. I used to mountain bike a lot actually, before the kids came along. But I haven't done it for a long time. That's true, not all seaside areas are nice. I mean, in Kent we have a lot of stones, a lot of sandy beaches kind of further down towards Margate and Broadstairs. Oh, 5 minutes from Birmingham. Ah, okay. So you're right in the middle. You've got canals and stuff near you though, haven't you? Ooh, it's windy. This is really pretty in the summertime. Yeah, Suffolk and Norfolk are beautiful. I tell you what, I really love Cornwall though. My dad, down towards Devon and Cornwall. You nearly knocked someone over, oh no. Out of control on a bike. That's before you had a drink. Oh, called the Shropshire Union Canal. Oh, okay. Kent is so south it is. Do you know what? Before I moved down here, I probably never visited. Skaters.
I should not have eaten 2 of them fucking virgins.
Devon is beautiful. My dad's in Plymouth, and the last time we were down during the summertime, we actually explored some of the Devon coast. It's just gorgeous. So pretty. But I mean, my heart's in the Lake District. I love the lakes. Being from Barrow-in-Furness and all that. So were you holidaying in Ambleside? Oh yeah, Australia, but that's amazing. Cornwall's better, is it? I couldn't possibly comment since all of my family are from Devon. The pasties and all that. Don't get into pasty wars with my aunties. What's that out there? Is that someone in the sea? What are they doing? Looks like they're digging for shellfish. Cockles or winkles or something, is it? Exactly. I tell you what, with my aunties it's the best place to be. Oh, I couldn't possibly comment. Kent's almost France. Shall I tell you something very funny? Is that when I first moved down to Kent, I did expect that some of the shops down here, my husband thinks this is hilarious, I did think that some of the shops down here might be owned by French people. He finds that hilarious. I was like, well, it's about half an hour from France. He's like, yeah, but it's England. I was like, there's nothing French about Kent at all. I know. Oh dear. Oh, honestly. Well, I did grow up in Scotland though, Simon. Sorry, I can't hold the camera still. Bonjour. Vive la France. Yeah, that's right. There is a UKIP population in Kent. I think it's down in Thanet mainly, so it's kind of down that way. They're all down there somewhere. Have I got a pasty with me? No, I wish I had. No, not a scrap to eat or drink. I'll just check the time actually, because I've got to head back in 10 minutes. That looks like rain. Always looks like rain in these clouds, doesn't it? Look at that grey British weather. I bet Western Australia is amazing right now, isn't it? Yeah, that's true. I think they are looking for whelks or cockles or something. In the estuary mud. It is, but do you know what? I do like the UK weather. I wouldn't move, I don't think. I like the fact it's so varied. You get horizontal rain, you get vertical rain. I'm fine, John. How are you? Are you alright? The wind comes from all four directions. Yeah, you got that too. Acid rain. It's chilly in Toronto. Oh, I'd love to go to Canada. There's a guy who... is he called? What's he called? Big Bear or something? Hey Devanshi, how you doing? And he scopes from Alaska. Have you seen this guy? He does kind of snowy scopes, I think, with his wife in Alaska. Hey Devanshi! Good to see you. Did you enjoy the quiz the other night? There's a quiz on Papa Bear. That's it, Simon. Somebody does a quiz on a Friday and Saturday night, and it's proper. These people are hardcore quizzers. Hey Carol, how you doing? I managed to get 3 right. I was so chuffed. Yeah, I'm alright, thank you. Ready for Christmas? No. My ready is Christmas Eve. Yeah, the quiz was great, wasn't it? But they're all like really, really good. It's quite scary. Yeah, I know, it took me weeks to actually start to get into it, but they're so fast as well. Quite, you're getting some depth in the clouds now, it's quite good, isn't it? You see those little clouds over Sheppey. The Isle of Sheppey. Over there. You just hear the skaters in the background. Right guys, I'm going to start heading back. Let's pick my car up now. What happens on Sheppey? Not a lot. Not a lot. Now, there's some pretty bits to Sheppey, like anywhere, and some rough bits. And that's up towards London, kind of over there. Do I visit Sussex? Where am I going tomorrow? Oh, I'm West London tomorrow. Yeah, I do come to Sussex occasionally. I'll turn it this way and say goodbye. Oh, let me turn it round. If I can. By the magic of the finger. Oh, I'm going to get up now. Muppet hair. You can see me in my Muppet hair. Look at that. Anyway, have a good day. Morning, noon or afternoon, wherever you are. And I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.